Okay, time for a serious upgrade to my water game. Let's open this. A ver qué tal. See, it's time to upgrade our water game. A ver qué tal.
Let's get started with everything that comes in the box. Carefully drill your granite countertop. Make sure to measure and level first. Use a placement sticker to line it up perfectly. Then drill the opening for installation. Attach the water lines, super straightforward. Everything connects right underneath. Now pop in all the filters. They lock into place easily. Mount the unit for a clean, tankless setup. Turn on the water. The built-in pump gives you fast flow with great pressure. Let it flush for about 20 minutes as recommended to activate the filters. And just like that, clean, crisp, alkaline water right from your sink.